Good afternoon everyone. This is me Shirish Adhikari from grade 10 and today I am going to solve these two problems and demonstrate to you the division of polynomial through Hand's activity method. Now I am going to solve the first question, which is x power 4 plus 5x cube plus 10x square plus 10x plus 4 divided by x plus 2. In order to solve this question, I have a few counters here. These counters have two sides, red and yellow. I am going to suppose the yellow side as positive integers and red sides as negative integer. So here yellow side denotes plus 1 and red side denotes minus 1. Now if I flip this, since there are two minus 1, this is now equal to minus 2. And if I place two yellow sided coins together, then they form plus 2. If I keep one yellow counter and one red counter, then that is equals to 0. And if I add a yellow, this becomes 0. So it's plus 1. And to this, if I add a red counter, then this becomes minus 1. Now I'm going to solve the first question, which is x to the power 4 plus 5x cube plus 10x square plus 10x plus 4 divided by x plus 2. Now I have these counters to place in these sections. As you can see, I have 1 x to the power 4. So I'll be placing one positive plus 1 counter. In the x to the power cube place, there are 5, so I'm going to place 5 yellow counters. Now we have 10x square, so I'll be placing 10 yellow counters. Again, we have 10 in the x section, so I'll be placing 10 counters. Here we have 4 as a constant, so again I'll be placing 4 yellow counters in the constant section. In the divisor we have x plus 2, so I'll be adding 1 counter at the x place and 2 in the constant place. As you can see, these counters have formed a triangular pattern. I'll find these same patterns is in the dividend section. So here we have one pattern. Again, in the x square section we can find 3 such patterns. Now moving on, we have 4 such patterns in the x section and 2 in the constant section. So as you can see, in the x cube we have 1 pattern, so I'll be writing 1x cube. Again, in the x square section we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 counter patterns in the x square section, so I'll be writing 3x square. Again, on the x section we have 4 such patterns, so I'll be writing 4x. And in the constant section we have plus 2. So there you have it. This is the answer for the first question. Now in the second question we have x square plus x minus 2 divided by x plus 2. So in the dividend section I'll be adding 1 in the x square place, another one in x place, and since we have minus 2, I'll be adding red counters, which denotes negative integers. In the divisor section we have x plus 2, so I'll be adding 1 in the x place and 2 yellow counters in the ones place. Now this has formed a similar pattern as the last question. we have two negative integers here, and I'll be adding 1. And to balance this, I'll be adding a positive integer. Now we have a similar pattern with the negative integers as in the divisor. Similarly, we have another pattern in the x place. Here in the x place we have one pattern, so we can write x, and in the one section we have a negative pattern. Since this is all made up of negative integers, I'll be writing -1. And here you go, our answer to this question is x minus 1. I hope you understood how to divide polynomials through the hands activity method. Thank you very much.